Hi, to use Google Wallet on the Samsung Galaxy A34, as a first step, open Play Store and use the search bar to enter the word wallet. And after that, install the Google Wallet, and now we can immediately open it. So let's find it in the list. And here we can already see few tabs. You can go in this Pay Quickly and Secure, and you can check this option to add a payment card. Just tap here and you would need to enter your data, or you can just add a card with the help of pointing the camera at the card, or select to add manually, and now you'd need to enter card number, date of expiration, security code, and your personal information. Now let's go back to the main screen. Here you can tap on your profile, go in the payment setup, and make sure that NFC is on. Also, you can turn it on in the settings. So let's open settings. Here, go in the connections and make sure that NFC and contactless payments are enabled. If it's enabled, then it would be blue like that. So with the help of this feature, you can just hold your phone near the reader and make a payment. And now let's return back to this wallet app. And here you can also set screen lock to be sure that everything is secure here. And also tap on the password manager, and here you would see all of your passwords. And if you tap this option, add to wallet, you would be able to choose what you want to add to the wallet: payment card, transit pass, loyalty card, gift card, or photo. So just tap any option from the list and follow the on-screen instructions. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.